I don't trust myself because I trained myself not to listen to myself. You know, a lot of the times we don't listen to ourselves because we're not confident in the answer. We're not confident in the advice. We're not confident in the suggestions, all the things. But how did you get to the point where you weren't confident in what your innate suggestion to yourself is? Where did you get you don't believe that you are qualified enough to make decisions for yourself? So you immediately go into this space of thinking you're going to make a decision based upon others' thinking or what other people want you to do. You know, that people pleasing thing? What happened? Where did the break happen when it came to your confidence, to listening to your first response? I can tell you a part of it when you're growing up, the rearing process immediately puts you in a space of not listening to yourself when you're being reared by your guardian, your parents, whoever you're raised by, because in order for them to get you ready, you know, to assimilate to earth life on this side, you have to have some level of understanding of authority. And that authority, that person is normally the person that implements your first round of programming, far as in the physical plane, your first round of programming. So immediately, everything you do as an explorer of a new environment, that person is telling you not to do. You want to see if the fire is hot, but because that person is in a space of guardianship and a authority figure, they have to protect you. But a part of that process is also getting you not to learn from yourself, learn from your own mistakes, getting you not to listen to yourself, because as a child, there's something in you that says, I want to know what that is. I actually don't want you to tell me what it is. I want to know what it is myself. I want to feel it. I want to smell it. I want to get in there. So at an early age, you're conditioned to go against your natural thinking, your natural moving. You know what I'm saying? Let me say like how people confuse things like anxiety. Anxiety is a part of not trusting yourself. It is a symptom of not trusting yourself. And anxiety, and I'm saying that anxiety with intuition, because your intuition is your trust for yourself. Your intuition is where you should have a faith-based relationship with yourself, meaning you don't know exactly what the ... is, but you got the inkling to do ... But when you don't trust yourself, you get all iffy and weary about it. You get all, I don't know. You need to get confirmation. You need to get certified. You need to get confirmation and things like that. You need to look it up on Google. You need to ask somebody else's opinion. You got to see if anybody else did it. Like all the things. So very scared to move with your first thought. Because once again, when you're being reared, you're reared in having in a second-hand experience. Your first-hand experience is also one of the things that are stripped away from you most of the time. Not the entire 100% of your rearing, but a part of that is telling you what things are without allowing you to define them. Hey, queen.